Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency on Fiverr. This is particularly useful if you're working with clients from different regions or simply want to see prices in your local currency for easier budgeting and understanding of costs. First, open your web browser and navigate to fiverr.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. Make sure you're fully signed in before proceeding to the next steps, as you'll need access to your account settings to make these changes. Now, look towards the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon displayed there. This is typically a small circular image or placeholder that represents your account. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various account options and settings. From the drop-down menu that appears, you'll notice several options related to your profile and account management. Look for and click on the currency icon. This is specifically designed to help you adjust how prices and payments are displayed across the platform. It's a straightforward feature that Fiverr provides to accommodate its global user base. Once you click on the currency icon, you'll be presented with a list of available currencies. This list includes all the major currencies that Fiverr supports, giving you plenty of options to choose from based on your location or preference. Browse through the list and click on your preferred currency. Whether you want to switch to US dollars, euros, British pounds, or any other supported currency, simply select the one that works best for you. Here's the great part. Once you've selected your preferred currency, Fiverr will automatically apply this change across your entire account. You don't need to save or confirm anything further. The platform instantly updates all pricing, earnings, and transaction displays to reflect your newly selected currency. This makes it incredibly convenient to switch between currencies whenever you need to without any hassle. And that's it. You've successfully changed the currency settings on your Fiverr account, allowing you to view all prices and manage your finances in the currency that makes the most sense for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.